This is my GTX 750 Ti. This is a 2 gig version. No, this is a 4 gig version. Fudge cookies. Look at this. Look at it. See? So it's got GV and 750 2OC 4G. Alright, let's see it. But I think the disassembly will go easy because it's got no external stuff on it. How should I say, radiators for the MOSFETs, you know, and I think it's just an open air GPU. Quite nice. Only one. Apparently, it's got an external power supply. So, but even like that, I think you can still put it in a low budget PC. Alright, so no metal cooling for it. Apparently you don't have the proper, oh shit, it's coming out. Alright, let me try to fix it. So the problem I have here is this cooler is trying to, the connector is coming out. See? Looks nice. But the thermal paste is getting old and I want to clean it. So yeah, this was the idea at the beginning, to have like a couple of minutes, yeah, to have like 10-15 minutes, 20, depending on that, to open a GPU. And yeah, what do you think? It's not a bad video card. But this fan is like, it's a little let down. Alright, I need a picture for this because sometimes I'm interested in the chipset. So this video card has a GM107-408-2. So if you're interested on getting a stencil, that's very important. That's the code you need. Yes. So yeah. Fantastic. Easiest how you said. I think this GPU clearly states that it's made to put it in every computer. Plus, it's from Gigabyte. Gigabyte actually makes nice models. The only thing I don't like is this aluminium radiator. So, but aside from that, it's quite small. Look, it's got only one 6-pin connector, so it does have some power. Comparing it to the other ones that are without. It says Giga, not Giga. I actually put the computer to do some updates and still looks in a fairly good condition. The GPU, I think it's one of those, you know, everybody's saying 750. I think this is the 750 that everybody wants. A 750 Ti that can actually do the job.